how to send a video from camera roll as a Snapchat. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in a mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now, once you're here, you have to tap on this menu bar at the top right corner, then tap on this arrow icon. Now, from this menu bar, you have to tap on director mode. Once you're here, again, navigate to the menu bar at the top right hand side. From there, tap on this picture icon that says import media. Now, from your camera roll, you have to select the video that you wish to send as a snap. For example, I want this video, and then tap on this tick mark. Once here, now tap on preview from the bottom right corner. Now, you can send this video as a snap to the account that you wish. Tap on send to, and from here you have to choose your friend that you want to send this video as a snap to. So I want to send to this account right here. Once done, tap on send. Here it says snap sent. Navigate to the chat page, and here you can see the snap now has been delivered. Now, in order to check that, let's switch to my another account where I have sent this snap to. Now here, if you navigate to your chat page, there you can see this is the snap that I have sent recently. So you can open this snap, and there you can see this video has been opened as snap. If you go back and close this, here the snap is now dismissed. So that's the way to send a video as a snap. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.